Come down, I'll explain to you exactly how the insurance processor works, and I'll tell you what to do next. So does 4 o'clock or 6 o'clock work better for you guys tomorrow? Okay?
Yes. See, that's how, like, your approach is a lot like mine. Like, I'm not that hard person at the door. Like, I just try to be that, like, friend. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
like, get them to open up a little bit, but, like, yours was a lot smoother than what you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like,
well, you just need to learn it, you know? And I love that that's your approach. So you get the concept. It's just we need to give you exactly what to say. And remember, there's a difference between aggressive and assertive. Aggressive is not good, but too passive, some people think to not be aggressive, you have to be passive, but that doesn't work either, okay? You need to be assertive. So assertive means I am confident in what I'm saying. I'm giving you information that I know is going to be making your wheels turn, and then I'm specifically going to ask for the order. I'm going to be direct. So when you're too casual and you're just like, yeah, so it's better safe than sorry, and you leave it open-ended, or you just have this soft kind of close, and I'm using air quotes over here because it's not a close if you're not asking for the order. You know, I'm asking. Even when I have to handle objection, what do I follow it up with? I say again, does this time or this time work better for you? I'm closing, okay? So you don't want to be aggressive, you don't want to be passive, but you do need to be assertive. And you can't be assertive without knowing exactly what to say. So that's what we just need to get. You get it in your head, we just need to put the words in your mouth, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
So,
because that's really how I approach it.
Yeah.
You know, like, I see some of these guys here working, and they're just like that hardcore closer at the door, and it's like, like me personally, like, I don't like that.
No, and by the way, the customers don't like it either, and they're not going to refer you, even if they do stick it out and you end up doing their roof. People who felt like you were pushy to them don't want to send you to their friends and family. But if you were like super cool, people were inviting us over, like, because I trained obviously the people that worked with me too, right, in real life, and our customers would invite us over to swim at their pool and go over to the barbecues, and like they would call just to say what's up. Like, I had customers that babysat my dog for me when I had to go out of town. It was great because I built really good relationships with them, and I did such a good job selling that they trusted me. That's the other thing. If you're not doing a good job with your sales presentation, people don't trust you. You have to be good at closing to build trust, because you might accidentally be coming off a certain way if you don't sound like you know what you're talking about, or you sound like maybe there's something fishy because you left something out that didn't make sense to the customer, right? So that's why it's so crucial to have these pitches down, because then it just becomes second nature. You can say it conversationally, and people trust you. You have educated them. They have all the information they need. They like you. They're going to sign with you, and they're going to recommend you to people.
Yeah, and that probably works. I mean, I would think it would for basically all phases of the storm, too.
Yes, 100%.
Kind of keep it, you know what I mean?
Yes. Again,
yeah, like yesterday, I'm like, oh, all right, maybe we need a more, like, assertive approach. Like,
you
I'm
do. Yeah, because again, left up to your own devices, I always love comparing this to being a girl in a bar. If a guy comes up to me and is being a little bit too sheepish and like wants to hang out or talk to me, I'm just like, okay, bye, right? But if he comes up and is super aggressive too, I'm like, no. And it might be an uglier no. But if they come up and it's like they crack a joke and they're building some rapport and they're not being clingy or weird or pushy, and then after a little while, after I've gotten to know them a little bit, now I feel comfortable, then they ask me for my number, well, all right, I'll roll the dice, right? But if you're being weird and weak, I'm just like, you're a pussy, and I'm not going to give you my phone number. But if you're being like a bro and being like super in my face about it, I'm just like, can you go fuck yourself? Like, go away, right? So it's the same. It's the same. Like, flirting is like sales. So you have to think of the customer like you're wooing the customer in a lot of ways. Your opener has to be good. What you say is good. How you behave, your energy, right? It all matters. So,
Absolutely.
all of this to say, it really just comes down to you just need some formal training. You need to take those scripts, run with them, and things will change like night and day for you in a positive way.